Oryx Elevators VE Series Passenger. The feeling in this space is first of its kind, because Oryx Elevators VE Passenger Series lift have been nearly upgraded. For the new lift series, Oryx Lift increased the door opening width, the car height and the empty weight of car. These three significant improvements promote the sense of space completely and create a comfortable and smooth experience of riding. Designed with the conception of modern aesthetics, the renewed car can be selected with a wide variety of modern designs. Other details, including LED soft automatic lighting, one-piece operation panel, humanized button with braille, visualizing liquid crystal display, wall-top FOP installation. And all these beautiful and dedicated details show a good taste in them. The main drive, the control cabinet, and the door control, which we selected in detection to highest accuracy and quality, with a top-of-the-art permanent magnet synchronous gearless traction machine. Oryx Lift provides the superior way of driving. The lift runs energy efficiently, smoothly, and safely. It represents an extraordinary quality level of elevator components. The advanced frequency inverts enable computer-supported comfortable operation. Powerful double 32-bit CPUs increase the processing speed, enable a wide range of additional new functions in case of brake failure. The advanced high-speed short-circuit technique controls the speed of the car effectively and prevents rapid moving to the top and thus ensures the safety of passengers. The door acceleration, speed and deceleration can be controlled by using latest VVVF variable frequency control technology. It bears millions of reliable and smooth opening and closing cycles and protects passengers with sensitive and fast-responding light curtain. Further advantages of Oryx Lift's VE Passenger Lift series are: horizontal anti-vibration systems are applied to the driving guide roller to ensure smooth running with noise-reduced and improved riding quality. The three safety components, including overspeed governor, safety gear, and buffer, are the traditional car passenger security system. Green technology with power regeneration save up to 60% energy. VE serial elevators energy consumption achieves highest standard. The Lift Express Hall car destination system shorten waiting and travel times. Intelligent IC systems enable the authority management of elevators. A wonderful upgrading after-service system has been done by using Internet telematics platform. The car second layer panels protect the decoration materials during construction and decoration period of the building. German design enables the installation to be safe, short, and of high quality. In order to improve design and installation work, the installation teams report back during the whole process of installation, commission, and testing. Oryx Lift's VE Series Passenger. German virtues spread to global market.